In the winter of 1964, the skies over the southern Andaman Sea began to churn. On December 15th, an innocuous area of low pressure was identified, its potential for destruction yet unrealized. Stationary, it lay in wait as a tropical wave moved in to interact with it. 2 days later, the system had consolidated into a depression, a swirling mass of showers and thunderstorms brooding over the southern Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea. A ship with the call sign JMAG reported 45 km/h winds and a barometric pressure of 1005.5 millibars on December 18. With this, the India Meteorological Department classified the system as a deep depression. Over the next days, the system intensified with alarming speed as it began to slowly move westward. By December 19th, it had become a severe cyclonic storm, acquiring hurricane-force winds on December 20th near 5 degrees north. The cyclone became one of the rare systems to attain such intensity close to the equator. Moving more west-northwesterly, the cyclone deepened as it bore down on southern India. Satellite imagery from December 21st showed storm clouds covering an area roughly 965 kilometers wide, with cyclonic arcs extending over 240 kilometers. On December 22nd, the cyclone struck the northern areas of Ceylon with full force. A storm surge of 4.5 meters swept across the region, causing catastrophic damage. In its wake, it left at least 1,800 lives lost. Initial reports stated that 250 people had lost their lives, with thousands missing. The economic damage in Ceylon was estimated at 200 million rupees. The storm obliterated approximately 5,000 houses and 700 fishing boats in the Jaffna district of Ceylon. The district's paddy crop was wiped out. The Trincomalee port suffered severe damage, rendering it inoperable. The scale of the disaster isolated villages for at least 3 days, leaving them without food or clean water. Communication lines were severely damaged, hampering relief efforts. By December 26th, relief supplies were delivered to 14 villages by the Ceylonese Air Force. Aid was offered by Britain, Cuba, West Germany, and the United States to Ceylon in the face of this massive disaster. The 1964 Rameswaram cyclone, also known as the Dhanushkodi cyclone, is remembered as one of the most powerful storms to ever strike India. Its impact and the response to it serve as a stark reminder of the raw power of nature, the fragility of life, and the resilience of communities in the face of overwhelming adversity.